In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly create a professional company profile using Canva's templates and customization tools. First, open the Templates menu and use the search bar to find a professional company profile template. Enter your search, confirm your selection, and edit your search terms if needed to narrow down the results. Next, review the template's preview and click Customize this template to begin editing and tailoring it to your company's style. Now, navigate to and select the Company Profile section to focus your edits on this area, making sure your key details are highlighted. Then, adjust the layout by dragging, resizing, or moving text boxes so your content looks organized and professional. Refine headings and elements to match your branding. Once your structure is ready, open the Uploads panel, upload and select your preferred images or logos, and insert them into your design to further personalize it. Finally, select your profile image, and when you are satisfied, click Presentation to view your finished company profile. You've learned how to create and customize a professional company profile in Canva.